The day is done, we've sold our ice cream, we're back at the lockup. What's the process for cleaning down the machine? How often do we recommend that we do it? And yeah, I guess just show us how to do that.
Do it daily really, not just because of the ice cream going off, more so re-lubing the parts back up. You know, you want to get that petrol gel back in the pump, back on the seals. Seals will dry out if you don't do it, that'll cause you problems with shafting and all the rest of it, you know, the mechanical side of the machine.
Alright, I'll get out your way, let me know if I can help you.
Yeah, so we'll just drain the machine off. Take the initial pressure off. Once that initial pressure's come off, slowly bring the handle down a bit more. You'll get to the stage where it'll no longer come out, or the pressure will slow down. Then we can flick the machine onto wash. Literally that's just engaged all the shafting just for the beater and the pump to run. You can hear the pump running, we'll take the lid off. So we can see that it's just spluttering out now, and the sound of the pump itself has slowed down a bit because there's no mixing the hopper anymore for it to pump into the barrel. So what we'll do this stage, just put some warm water in the hopper, stop it, pass that out, have some warm water. Just lukewarm, you don't want it stinking out or anything like that. Gently pour that in. Just a good 5 litres really. And we'll just come back down, flick it on. Again, if you don't have the handle down, the pump will be pressurising the barrel again, so you might just notice you've got the pressure back in there. So once we've got that off, it's fine. You can see the temperature coming up now because obviously you put warm water in, but starting to defrost the barrel. It's just nice to just close the handle every now and then, let that pressure build up again just to get the remaining ice cream out of the barrel. Once we're happy that we've got all the hard ice cream out, we can turn the machine off, shut that. We know we've got all the pressure out, so we're safe to take the mixed feed tube out now. Again, unlock it. You can take the pump off as well actually while we're at it. Should just be able to get the remaining water out. You can do this again if you like as well, put another fresh bucket of water in. The more ice cream you get out of there, the better. The easier it is to clean the parts. Slowing down now so we can just flick it onto wash. And just push the rest out.